Okay, Robin, it's time for you to get some more training in before you can actually start fighting crime. Okay, Batman, let's get started. Well, Wolverine, how have you been? Haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah, I thought I'd come out and see if you guys wanted to go out and get a bite to eat. I would love to, but I'm super busy and I've got tons of research to catch up on. But Robin can go. He just got done with his training. Yeah, I would love to go. I'm starving. After all that training, I've got to go. Maybe I can catch up with you guys up later and we can meet somewhere. That way we can catch up on what's been going on. Robin. Hey, Riddler, give me my money back. I work hard for my money. You can't just come and steal from me like that, you thieving crook. Great. Here comes Batman and Wolverine. Thank God. They'll catch him. Wait, it's Robin driving the Batmobile. Robin and Wolverine. Riddler just stole my money. He just robbed me for everything I worked for. He just took off that way. Please catch him. Don't worry. We'll catch him and your money. Ah ha 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 ha! I got tons of money and I can do whatever I want. I love breaking the law. It pays off for me. They say crime doesn't pay, but it always worked for me. Ah ha ha ha! Here I go. There he is. We caught up to him. There is no chance of getting away now, Riddler. You're done. You can't get away from us. You think crime pays, but it doesn't. We're going to catch you, and we're going to take that man his money back, and you have no chance of getting away. Well, Boy Wonder, here we are, face to face. Now what do you think you're going to do with your lack of experience? Robin, don't worry about these two on my side. They're easy dealings. They're light work. They're criminals, and criminals are cowards. Come on, Riddler. Get out of your car. Let's handle this now. Maybe you can show me something. I doubt it because Batman showed me everything. Awesome, Batman's here. Nice for you to show up, Batman. I got the Riddler. Great job, Robin. I knew that the training would pay off that you've done. You've done an awesome job. Yeah, you've done an awesome job too, Batman, training him. He did a great job because of your training. Yeah, he did too good of a job because of your training, and now I'm going to jail for a crime I committed. Remember, it never pays to commit a crime. Always obey and do well by the law.